I want to thank you for purchasing the new MagicPro Xtreme. Today I want to show you the different components that you'll receive in your box when you receive the Xtreme, but also in further videos we'll show you demos of all the different products that you can print. Now, I'm going to go through like baseballs, softballs, the bats, the coasters, the different aspects of how to set up the jigs and using the different components. Let me first show you what you'll be receiving in your box. When you first get the machine, you're going to have, it's going to be lowered all the way down the printing head, and it's going to have a zip tie here that you'll just cut off. That's actually tied in there so none of the components will get messed around during shipping. So first of all, when you get ready to set it up, you'll snip this off, which I'll show you in future videos. I'm going to go through the different components. First, you'll receive different CDs. The one is the Lexmark, the Z2300 CD. You'll actually install this into your computer first before you even plug up or even use the USB connector into your computer. So just follow all the directions on that. If you have Windows 7 or Vista, you can go online and download the 2300. This covers up to the XP, but also it's been also known that this will work with Windows 7 as well. So try the installation CD. If not, you can go to the Lexmark website and download it for your appropriate Windows. You also receive different templates that I use setting up, like the baseballs, the three ornaments, and different aspects of that. We'll have some different basic templates that you can use, and then also we're going to include from my website all the different designs. And again, feel free to call me anytime if you have trouble with the design or anything. I'm a user of this machine, and anything that I use from my designs, baseballs, softballs, ornaments, or even my marketing material, it's yours free of charge when purchasing the machine from me. So go onto my website, noneproducts.com, and check out the different designs in the MagicPro Xtreme design area. And then you also get instructions, little sheet. And again, this video is going to be more helpful than what this. This just has some general printed directions that you can use, but always refer back to this video. Now, you're also going to get with the unit also the Lexmark. This uses the 1500, the Lexmark 15 that you can get at Walmart, Office Max, or even online. Runs probably about $20, depending on where you're at. You also get their little nylon bushings that you'll actually use. This will set up your dipping station for your ornaments. You'll get enough for 24 of these, and also the 3/8 dowel rods. Now, if you need additional dowel rods, you're going to get 24 of these 8-inch ones that you'll be able to use. And again, I'm going to show you in a future video how to set a fully set up dipping station for the ornaments. But these are 3/8 that will fit inside. And also, one thing I found that's very helpful way to kind of keep the ornament onto the sticks. It's from Lucite, or they actually even have from any place. It's the mounting putty. This does extremely well. You just cut off a little ball and put it on the top, so that way when you put the ornaments on it, it will stick, because you'll be dipping down and pulling it back up. So it'll keep it in place, won't mar the inside or the outside finish of anything. You'll find the putty very helpful in a variety of different areas. We use it when we're printing the baseballs and softballs as well. Now, with the MagicPro Xtreme, you're able to print flat objects as well. And as you saw, at a trade show, or also other future videos that you've seen, past videos on the website, this is one of the boards that you'll be using to put your material on here. Now, what I recommend when you're printing on the flat objects, I put just a piece of white paper, 8.5 by 11, on here. I usually run a test print for placement, very lightly. And again, I'm going to show you that in future videos. That fits right into this jig. But also, this is the jig that you'll be getting. Right here, it has the rollers on it. It has the 3 rollers which fit right inside, and then this area fits right inside to a jig inside, so that way the proper placement is every time. Again, we'll be showing that in additional video. You also get a quart of the ink aid. Now, this is very important. This has to go on every surface that you print using the MagicPro Xtreme. So everything has to have, it's kind of like the magic formula. You can buy it from myself, or it's available on Ontario Coatings. That's the website's available from my website, but you can get it from me. Now, you do get a quart. This will last you a long time. But what I recommend as it gets closer to Christmas, if you start doing your own ornaments, get a gallon. It's about around $100, for that, and that will actually allow you to submerge your ornament and let it dry all the way around. Now I use a black foam brush to put all of the ink aid on for most of the surfaces. Also use a makeup sponge, the little round ones or triangles that you can get at Walmart in the makeup area. Main thing is you don't want to have anything that's going to leave any type of like bristle. That's why we use foam. Sometimes occasionally you'll get little black specks, but again, just make sure everything's brushed off and clean by applying the ink aid. Again, videos will follow on that. Now you also get a baseball, softball, and a golf ball holder, a jig that will allow you to print on the baseballs and softballs, as well. And then also you get three ornament holders. Okay, you get 3 of these because this machine can print 3 ornaments of the 2 5/8. They just go in here like this, and then you just set them in. You'll get 3 of these, and then also you can print 2 of the 3 1/4 ornaments at one time as well. This is very helpful when you're doing mass producing, of ornaments. I do a lot of fundraisers with schools, and so I'm printing thousands of ornaments. So you're able to set these up. They can all have the 3 different designs, on those. So you can print 3 at one time. It takes between 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how complex your designs are. You're also going to get samples, test ornaments of the 3 1/4 and also the 2 5/8, with a machine that you'll able to practice. And depending on the package that you got, you're going to receive the additional ornaments that we agree to. Now, also when printing on different objects, shot glasses, wine glasses, and beer glasses as well, in different kind of odd shape, the MagicPro spins, and sometimes like a beer glass, it's kind of like an hourglass shape, and so the bottom of it's going to be smaller than the top. So what we have to do is kind of adjust the size where it'll roll evenly. What we've included in your purchase is you get 4 of these. These are actually cores that goes inside tapes that we're able to adjust. Like right here, this will go right inside here, and we just use normal masking tape. So what we're able to do is unwind to the different size that we need. You'll use like hot wax, and then you'll actually put on your glass here, so that way you can adjust this outside and it will roll smoothly and evenly as well. You'll get 4 of those, and then also we sometimes even use just a little invisible tape. This is for your smaller diameters here that you're able to go again, we use a hot wax gun that you may want to purchase as well, like on the baseball bats, to roll on the jig. I just basically put that here, and then I unroll it, and it just gives me just a little bit of an edge, and it actually spin. And actually what also that does is it lifts off this area. Like we're going to print probably about 6 inches on this bat, so we don't want the rollers to mar the finish any. So basically it just lifts it up slightly so it's off the rollers. So this is on the roller, and then this end here, so it spins it. Again, we'll be doing a video on that. Again, you're going to be very pleased with the machine. It'll do a lot. And what I love about the machine is you can get almost everything local. The only thing that you have to buy from a certain place that you cannot get local is the ink aid. Okay, you can buy all your supplies. From, we use the clear frost. We use that on the baseballs. That has kind of a leather, a slick finish, so the ink aid doesn't adhere well to that. So we'll spray out just a quick frost on that, and that will allow the ink aid to bond. Ink aid does very well on glass, but sometimes you may want to frost it to kind of give you a little bit of white finish. And again, the frost is very helpful. When final coating some of our objects, like if you're printing on canvas or even the baseballs or anything, we use from Minwax. It's the fast drying polyurethane. Now you can get this. This is a clear semi-gloss. You can get it in satin or high gloss. Depending on your product that you're coating, you can use any of the 3 of those. Again, you can get that locally. And then this both can be purchased from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. But we also use a clear high engine enamel. Now this is used when we print on our coasters, the 3x3 or the 4x4 tiles up to the 6x6 or any size that is going to have kind of a wet application a little bit. So what we do is we spray on the tile first. We coat it heavy with this, and we put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and it bakes on this clear finish. Then we put the ink aid on it, do our print, and then we apply this again, and put it in the microwave. We spray it outside, let it kind of air dry just for a few minutes, and then pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and it will get rock hard. Just be very cautious. It will be hot coming out. Again, if you have any questions, regarding the setup and then demonstrations of any product, if you've got kind of a weird item, that you want to print on, just send me an email or call me. Again, my number is 870-476-6866, or a quick email and jot over, maybe take a picture, and I'll help you walk through. That's what's very unique, with my company. I'm a user of this product. I had one of the first MagicPro 360s over 3 years ago, and I sold thousands of ornaments. It was great. That was my primary deal around Christmas. I had the flatbed, and I also sold both of those, but I have a flatbed. You can print on tile, Xbox covers and different deals, and then it had a printing area of 8 inches by 13. Well, the MagicPro Xtreme prints on both of it. So now I'm able to have one machine that prints on everything that I need. I concentrate, on the fundraisers, from the baseballs, the softballs. Right now, it's April. It's a prime time to sell, the baseballs, the baseball bats, and softballs. That'll do that, and then I can just, within a matter of less than 2 minutes, I can be set up to print on a tile. So it's very versatile. But I want to thank you again for your purchase of the MagicPro Xtreme. Again, don't hesitate to call me with any questions. When you get this out, just be very careful with all the components. Check everything, make sure you have everything there, and look forward to working with you and helping you in any way. Thank you.